Welcome to our pineapple factory. Today, I'll show you how pineapples travel.
This is where fresh pineapples begin their transformation.
Fresh pineapples arrive from farms and undergo their first quality inspection.
Automated scanners sort pineapples by size, ripeness, and external condition.
Technicians evaluate each pineapple's readiness for slicing.
From sorting, fruit moves into the preparation zone for cleaning. The crown is removed to prepare the fruit for washing and peeling. Precise blades remove the crown to expose the upper surface.
Washing removes external dirt from farm transport.
A sanitizing dip ensures product safety.
Air knives remove excess water before mechanical peeling. Prepared fruit is briefly stored in temperature-controlled chambers.
Each fruit is positioned correctly for high-precision peeling. Peeling machines remove the tough exterior efficiently.
Spiral cuts minimize waste while exposing edible layers. Surface imperfections called eyes are removed automatically.
Proper alignment ensures accurate coring. Mechanical coring removes the tough interior cylinder. Core extraction prepares fruit for slicing operations. Excess juice is recovered for secondary food products. A quick sanitation step maintains freshness. Surface scanners detect imperfections instantly. Cooling prepares fruit for consistent slicing. Prepared fruit enters the slicing phase. Large-scale automation processes thousands of units per hour. Precision blades create consistent ring shapes.
Vibrating conveyors isolate slices for inspection.
Each slice is checked for thickness and structural texture.
Chunk cutters produce bite-sized portions.
Wedge units create standardized slice formats.
Laser scanning ensures size precision. Density checks confirm texture consistency.
Products are sorted by final format category.
Products are sorted by final format category. Washing refines appearance before packaging. Additional juice is reclaimed for beverage production.
Air drying prevents sogginess prior to packaging.
Slices rest briefly to maintain firmness. Packaging containers are sterilized for safety.
Automated fillers portion fruit precisely.
Syrup preserves flavor and extends shelf life.
Lids are placed at high speed with consistent accuracy.
Heat sealing ensures leak-proof closure.
Labels display batch information and nutritional data.
Multi-pack trays streamline storage and shipping. Shrink wrap protects products during transport. Cartons are formed and sealed for bulk handling. Palletizing prepares shipments for loading. Weight checks verify shipping accuracy.
Cold storage maintains product quality until distribution. Quality assurance tests verify compliance with safety standards. Shelf life trials predict long-term product stability. Final checks ensure flawless packaging. Cold chain logistics preserve product freshness. Daily shipments supply markets and distributors. The plant serves as a major hub in pineapple processing.
This concludes the journey of pineapples, from farm to packaged slices.
Systems remain ready for the next operational cycle. Automated cleaning maintains hygiene standards.
Quality tracking continues beyond production hours.
Operations support global demand around the clock. Thank you for watching.